So hey guys, क्या हाल चाल? Welcome back to my channel. Also welcome back to my Forex Challenge day 3. As you know that last day in day 2 we have lost 408 rupees, and I say what mistakes I have done in that trade, on that trade. So today is the day 3. Let's see how we get the trade. So guys, as you see here, I entered a trade here. Let me tell you the reason why I entered a trade here. As you see here, market have gave a breakout. This is a resistance, and market have gave breakout to this level, and came for retest. And market have came for retest. I entered a trade. And why did I enter the trade here? I entered the trade. Actually, I should not enter here because we have only one reason. And second is that I got here. You see here EMA line, and market had touched this EMA line and gave some kind of confirmation candle. It shows hammer pattern, hammer candle. Hammer candle is one kind of reversal candle. Market 60% market reverse from that area. When hammer candle shows 60%, usually it reverse from that level. So first reason, market have gave a breakout and came for retest, and we have 50 to 60% chance market will move up. And second reason, it touched EMA line and gave confirmation candle. This is like 80% chance market will move. And my SL is below hammer candles wick, and my TP is recent top level. So let's see how it works. So guys, as you see here, I got to take profit in this trade of 582 rupees, which is very good. In this capital, it's very good earning. And as you see here, my final capital is 10,504. So this is what today's result is. See you soon in next day. Take care. Bye bye.